So what I'm doing today is showing you how to log into the Khan Academy. As usual, we'll start with the Clever website, so make sure you go to the Clever. The link is in the Google Classroom if you need it. And once you are in Clever, I'm going to scroll down to the Khan Academy, which is right here. So I'm going to click on Khan Academy. And I do need to log in, so over here in the upper right corner where it says login, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now I do want to log in with Google, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And let me go ahead and log in. So I am going to go ahead and use my Google account. Use your standard DISD login information for that. Once you have done that, it will log you in, and you should have a screen that looks something like this. Now, a couple things that I want to go ahead and point out first, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click up here on the Khan Academy logo. And it will ask you a few things like, what grade you're in and, what class it is that you might be taking. So I'm going to go ahead and say geometry, for example, okay? Continue with one course, that's fine. Now, when you're done with that, you're going to need to tell me that you have already been to Khan Academy. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to need to add you to my course. So I'm going to go ahead and add this person to my course real quickly. Let's see here, students. And so what I'm going to do is make sure he can see the assignments. So that is what's going to happen right now for me. And then after I've added him, I'm going to have to refresh this page so that they can see everything. All right. So I'm going to come back over here now that I've added this person. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. And sometimes I just have to refresh the whole website, so I'm going to try hitting that. There we go. Now that we've done that, you'll notice it has the assignment list here. Salmoran Geometry second period, which is what this person happens to be in. And these are the things that you can be working through. So make sure that when I put an assignment there that you check on the assignments. Once you're in it the first time, all you'll need to do is just hit up here on the Khan Academy and it should show it automatically. But for the first time, you do need to let me know so that I can make sure that you're added on my end. And then once you refresh the web page, all of these should appear. Now, not all of these are big assignments, folks. Some of these, like this one, for example, there's a video to watch, and that's going to help you out. So you can watch through this. Some of these, like, for example, this one's just some reading material to help you out. There's the distance formula, for example. So it'll help you find information that you need. But the ones here that are marked with the little star, those are ones that have actual work for you to do so that you can actually see about getting your grade for this. So make sure that you work through these. It'll tell you if the answer is wrong, of course. I think it gives you 1 or 2 tries and then it counts it wrong. Okay. And I believe I asked you to do 7 questions. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure we get 7 questions done. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, see if you get enough of them wrong, it's going to ask you to get some help or move on, all right? So obviously at some point you're going to have to really get it right, okay? And then at the end it'll give you a grade, of course, at the end when it's all said and done. So if you need additional support about this, folks, let me know and I will get you everything you need. And do make sure that you get these accomplished, all right?